அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். நான் உங்கள் மகேஷ். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது யாருன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நம்மளோட சந்தீப். சந்தீப்னா யாருன்னு கேட்குறீங்களா? இப்போ ரீசெண்டாக வைரலாக போயிட்டுருக்குல நம்மளோட சிம்புவோட டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர்மேஷன். லைக் அவரை சிம்புவை வந்து டிரான்ஸ்ஃபார்ம் பண்ண ஒரு பர்சன். நாட் ஓன்லி சிம்புங்க, சமந்தா, நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க, லிஸ்ட்டில் நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க. ஸோ அவரை பற்றி நான் சொல்கிறத விட அவர்கிட்டயே கேட்டு தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். வணக்கம் சந்தீப், எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
Thank you so much for inviting and very good. How are you?
I am good, thank you very much. ஸோ சொல்லுங்கள் சந்தீப், உங்களோட லைக் இந்த நிலைமைக்கு வந்தீங்கன்னா ஃப்ரம் வேர் டிட் யூ கம், எப்படி வந்து நீங்கள் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணீங்க உங்கள் கரியர்?
It's my career is a long story, but to keep it very short, I finished my engineering. I did my electrical engineering from IIT Kharagpur.
Okay.
And then post that I worked for Ericsson, and then I decided to quit my corporate job and get into something I really love and I'm passionate about. I really love changing people's, transforming people and getting them to live a better life.
Great.
That is something which I've always wanted to do right from college, because I changed myself. I was never like this. I was a very fat kid, and I was never into sports in my childhood, but that changed. And once I saw me transforming myself, I decided to this is what I have to do, because at the end of the day it's satisfaction which you have to work for, and that is something which will crave your inner self. And so that was the whole transition for me. And then I did my nutrition certification from UK, and then I'm a strength and conditioning coach.
Great.
And transformation and lifestyle specialist right now.
Super.
So that's what I call myself.
Super. ஓகே சந்தீப், ஸோ ஐ ஹவ் ஃபியூ கொஸ்டின்ஸ். இப்போது ரீசெண்டாக பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எஸ்டிஆருக்கு பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க. லைக் ஹீஸ் ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர்மேஷன் லெவல் இஸ் டோட்டலி ஆசம், லைக் ஃபயர் பீஸ்ட். ஓகே, ஸோ என்ன மாதிரி பேட்டர்ன்ஸ்லாம் உங்களுக்கு ஃபாலோ பண்ணீங்க? எஸ்டிஆர் உள்ளே வரும்போது நீங்கள் உங்களோட இம்ப்ரெஷன் எப்படி இருந்துச்சு? லைக் உங்ககிட்ட வரும்போது அவர் வந்து இந்த ஒரு டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர்மேஷன் பண்ணி நான் இப்படி தான் கொடுப்பேன் அவுட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி உங்களுக்குள்ளே ஒரு பிளான் வச்சுருப்பீங்களே, அது என்ன மாதிரி ஒரு பிளான்?
So when I met STR, before that only, like when you meet a new client, you have to understand them.
Yes.
So you don't know who you're meeting. Yes. And then you meet, and then one meeting happens, and then you have an understanding of what they're looking for, what their goal is.
Exactly.
And if you can help them, okay, let's start working. This is how I can help you. Okay. But then with STR, it was like I was working with his friend Mahat.
Okay.
And I was getting him ready for his marriage and also for his movies. So it was, he gave me a lot of input on STR, like, brother, you should train Simbu, and, he's been like ABCD in the last few years, and, he's been inactive, but then you will be able to change him, or, he was very, Mahat really wanted his friend to transform, because Mahat understood the value of changing a lifestyle, because it's not just diet and training, it's more to do with the whole way of life, how you approach your problems in life, how everything, your priorities change when you start living with discipline. Automatically every field will be disciplined. You can't have your living room clean and your kitchen dirty. If you have an OCD, you will have everything clean.
To be clean.
So that's the same thing when you are training in a proper order, eating at a proper time, and sleeping properly. You will automatically give importance to your work. You will do it timely, and that makes a whole impact on a person. That is what is a lifestyle change, rather than just 1 hour of training. It's just 1 hour of training, but what are you doing in the 23 hours? See, that is what matters. So with STR, I had an image. Okay. It was very skewed image, but nothing was positive there. Because everybody was like, I was like, I'm thinking to train STR. No, don't even think.
Yes, yeah.
So this is something which I had from everywhere, and not even a single person was told me that you will definitely be able to change him. So for me it was like a challenge, and then Mahat and me had a challenge saying that let's see who will win. Okay. And it was for the fun part.
Yeah.
Okay. So that once I met STR and once I understood his purpose, then it was very easy for me to mold him to follow a pattern. And then because he is not a person who just does things for the sake of it. He has to have a purpose, and then once he has that, okay, I'm doing this for X, then he puts his heart and soul into it. He doesn't do if somebody says, because he's born with a platinum spoon.
Yes.
So that aspect of it, it was different, and then at the end of the day, we got the work done, and that's the main thing. So and now STR is healthier as ever before. So I'm proud to say that.
We can see that.
Yeah.
So now I have one question here. You said like STR வந்து உங்ககிட்ட என்ன மாதிரி ஒரு டயட் பிளான்லாம் நீங்கள் கொடுத்தீங்க அவங்கக்கிட்ட, லைக் இப்போது அவரோட ஃபேட் வந்து பேர்ன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு, இப்போ அவரோட ஃபேட் பேர்ன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு நீங்கள் இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு பேட்டர்ன்ஸ் ஃபாலோ பண்ணியிருப்பீங்களா? ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் மார்னிங் இதை சாப்பிடணும், ஆஃப்டர்நூன் இந்த பேட்டர்ன் இருக்கும், ஸோ ஈவினிங் நீங்கள் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு டயட்டை வந்து ஃபாலோ பண்ணணும். ஸோ அவர் என்ன மாதிரி ஃபுட் கன்சப்ஷன்லாம் எடுத்துக்கிட்டாங்க, அண்ட் நீங்கள் கொடுத்ததெல்லாம் என்ன மாதிரி அவங்களுக்கு?
So we started with a normal diet only, because I don't like to change your current diet completely, because sometimes it's very important to know your schedule first.
Yes.
And then make a diet according to your schedule, because I am not, otherwise you can just go on Google and search what is the best diet, and then you can do it yourself. But a healthier way to transition from a current diet to a new diet is that to be able to understand, okay, I'm eating this much, okay, because we are Indians, like I love my rice, so I can't just leave rice just like that, because I've been eating rice from childhood.
Yeah.
So how do I implement that? Because no food is bad, because you have to understand how much to eat and how much to not crave for. So how do you not crave for some food? You have to replenish yourself by trace elements and minerals. There are a lot of when you go into the science of it, you clearly understand when you're craving for something what is lacking in your system.
Okay.
So once we had we saw STR's charts and all, we were able to put a diet together, and then he was following, and then suddenly he wanted to stop non-vegetarian food, and that was a shocker for me, because when vegan food is a bit tricky.
Yes.
Because suddenly when somebody changes from being a non-vegetarian to a vegetarian, it changes the dynamics of the body, and the body body doesn't understand whether you are a non-vegetarian or vegetarian.
Yes.
Body just gets used to a certain kind of input which is coming to your system. So that we had to supplement with some vitamins and minerals which are lacking in vegetarian food on a daily basis. So we did it with a very structured approach, and that is what at the end of the day, again he started saying that let me do liquid meals, because I'm not able to eat
these
so it was a very dynamic journey in terms of his diet. But then in whatever phase, he was very clear to me, saying that I want this, but I'm not able to do certain things. Like for example, he doesn't eat fruits at all.
Oh.
So for me as a nutritionist, like that's something very not right.
Yeah.
So how do I get the whatever fruits give you through other foods? So we had to do a custom make diet for him, and then go forward. So it's one day at a time, but again
some difficult times
at the end of the day, we have to reach there. That was our goal, both of us. So we work towards.
Great. So நிறைய பேர் இப்போ வந்து சொன்னாங்க, இப்போது இந்த 3 மாதத்துலலாம் வந்து கம்மியாக்க முடியாது, உடம்பு வந்து எப்படி இவ்வளோ சீக்கிரமாக வந்து லைக் வெயிட் லாஸ் பண்ணியிருப்பாரு, ஸோ அதுக்கு ஸ்டெராய்ட்ஸ் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க, லைக் இன்ஜெக்ஷன்ஸ் தான் போட்டு சம் மேஜிக்ஸ் ஆர் தேர் லைக் தட் சம் பீப்புள் ஆர் சேயிங். இது வந்து மித்தா இல்லை வந்து ஃபேக்டா? இதை பற்றி கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுங்கள்.
Whatever you do in life, there will be people who have not achieved something.
Yes.
Complaining and giving reasons that somebody has done something else to achieve this.
Yes.
Everybody thinks that there's a magic pill, there's something you inject yourself with something and you suddenly get a body. You have to understand that our journey was not just 3 months. We started last November.
Oh.
And then it's October and like November right now.
Yes.
We are talking
almost
a year. So a person's habits change first, erratic sleeping timings to sleeping at the right time and then waking up at 4:30 in the morning, doing cardio 30,000 steps a day. Wow. And then twice a day working out, once a day swimming, once a day a sport. So when you do actively 6 to 7 hours of workout a day, like the people who are commenting or people who are asking these things, have you done that Have you done that and then seen the results?
Yes.
Do that first, see results, and then tell me that it's not, it's because of A or because of B.
Yes.
Otherwise, don't even comment.
Yes.
So that is something which I would like to tell, because a lot of negativity is there in the society already.
Yes, exactly.
If we can help somebody who is already trying hard, we should. Otherwise, we should just.
யாரெல்லாம் நெகட்டிவான கமெண்ட்ஸ்லாம் பண்ணீங்களோ இது வந்து உங்களுக்கு கண்டிப்பாக வந்து இந்த ஆன்சர் தெரிஞ்சிருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ இதுக்கு மேலேயும் பார்த்துக்கோங்க. ஸோ ஒரு நாளைக்கு வந்து இப்போது எஸ்டிஆர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஸோ அவர் எவ்வளோ நேரம் வந்து ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ணுவாங்க?
So as I said, brother, we start at 4:30 in the morning. Like some days I used to go in the morning because I really like to be with the client.
Yes.
Because the experience what a client goes through, because I'm not losing that weight. I'm already fit.
Yes.
I don't need to lose weight, or rather that is not my goal. Okay, but when somebody is losing 10-15 kgs of body weight, the person inside them, some like it's like
Yes.
you're loaded with so much burden. Suddenly you are like when you have so much hair and so much beard, when you suddenly shave it, how different do you feel?
It's totally different.
When beard is dead cells, when you feel so different by a beard itself, you just imagine shaving off your body. That is live cells, you are completely changing. So how different will you feel from inside? So that is something I cherish, because I have done that to myself when I was back in college in IIT.
Okay.
I have continuously every day morning I used to work out, evening I used to work out, I did weightlifting, I won medals. So when I completely transformed in my third year, when I started from first year, third year, I could see how I transformed. So when you put in that much work and change as a person, your whole mindset changes, your attitude towards everything changes. And then that is something I used to go here to him and sit and talk to him just to understand what is becoming.
Yeah.
Because that is a new Simbu, because I didn't want that image which people gave me.
Yes.
So it was so once walking was done, we used to go to the gym and do one and a half hour of workout. Then he loves swimming. So he used to just, I can't swim after my workout session because I'm dead. But he used to just go and swim for an hour again, and then have breakfast, and then after that evening again we used to do any kind of sport, then again workout. Then he used to either rest, because some days it was body pains. You can't overdo things also. So at the end of the day, it was like around 6 to 7 hours of work a day, active work. And then he used to box also. He used to play tennis. He hired a special person who was his diehard fan to come and teach him tennis again. And he was phenomenal. Like that was something which he wanted, because at the end of the day, you can, whatever, as a coach, as a friend, whatever you can do is just motivate them, push them.
Yes.
And show them a direction. But then intention and desire should be from inside.
Yes.
So that is something which he had, and that is what it shows. People are telling me that thank you for giving our king back and all that, but okay, your king decided to come back.
Yes.
More than anything.
Yes.
That is why he came back. So I am just a tool, and who helped him? Okay, fine.
Yes.
If not me, somebody else would have been there. But then it's a person to decide.
Yes.
Each and every one of you should decide to transform and change. That is when your transformation starts. Not when you hire a coach or anything.
The decision from myself.
Inside.
Yes.
Because if I want to create a successful business, I decide I will take a step. I will do whatever it takes to create that.
Yes.
So it's the same math everywhere. So yeah.
ஆல்ரைட். ஸோ ஒரு நாளைக்கு சிம்பு வந்து எவ்வளோ சாப்பிடுவாங்க? ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இப்போ வந்து மார்னிங் பிரேக்ஃபாஸ்ட் சொன்னீங்க. ஸோ ஃப்ரூட்ஸே சாப்பிட மாட்டாருன்னு சொன்னீங்க. கம்பல்சரியாக ஒரு ஃப்ரூட் வந்து ஆட் பண்ணியிருக்கணும் மார்னிங் பிரேக்ஃபாஸ்ட்டில். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இப்போது மார்னிங் வந்து ஒரு பொமோகிரானேட் அந்த மாதிரி எதுனா ஒன்று சாப்பிடுவாங்க. ஸோ ஃப்ரூட்ஸே பிடிக்காதுன்னு சொன்னீங்க. மார்னிங் பிரேக்ஃபாஸ்ட்லேருந்து ஈவினிங், ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் நைட் ஈவினிங் டின்னர் வரையும் வந்து என்ன மாதிரி ஃபுட்ஸ்லாம் வந்து சாப்பிடுவாங்க? என்ன மாதிரி பேட்டர்ன்?
So he likes to have, we used to start the day with a protein shake, a nutritional shake, and in that add some oats for fiber and all. And then in the afternoon, again I told you his diet was completely changing through the whole process. But then predominantly we were focusing on protein rich and a bit high fat diet.
Okay.
And reducing the carbohydrate intake through the day as the day progresses, because he wanted to finish his food at 7 in the night, and then he sleeps around 11:30, but then he used to start feeling very light and very active when he wakes up. So that was his decision. So we had to do the diet accordingly, saying that 4:30 wake up, and then post walking we do a shake. Then after training we eat a breakfast, which is again a high protein,
Yes.
high fat diet, and it was mainly to cater to the nutritional requirements, taking some supplements on the side, because we can't get everything from the food in a short period of time. So supplements have their place in the whole ecosystem. And then people who are watching this, I would like to say that you should not get just scared by supplements. It's a myth, it's a taboo in the society, but then educate yourself and read about it. If you don't know, ask your doctor, ask your nutritionist, ask your trainer, what does it do? And things like omega-3 oil, very good for the heart.
Okay.
Protein, your whole body is made of protein. If you see children, what children are fed, if you take out Cerelac and see, there's whey protein written. So there is no point of just blindly trusting something in a world of in today's world where so much information is available and so authentic information is available. You should read, educate yourself and make a decision.
Yes, exactly.
And not just go by what somebody says. So weird stuff is there, like if you eat protein, your kidneys will spoil. So it's very it's not right. So people, if you want to do a change, you see, when you build a house again, you will inquire which cement is the best, and then you'll get that. Okay, so and depending on your budget, so same thing, you're building yourself, invest in time in yourself. Don't just go by the flow, or somebody will say this tablet will burn fat very quick. So don't go on this, don't feed this system. So
just homework about that.
Yeah.
Like
I have a lot of people in quarantine who decided to change themselves and approach me, and 6 months later they've reduced, like on an average they've reduced around 6 to 8 kgs.
Wow.
On an average. Like this includes people who are obese and people who are already fit.
Yes.
So like the best number in terms of weight reduction in 6 months, like one of my clients reduced around 18 kgs. So it's all your intention and desire. That's what I told you. Like, and then healthier than before. Do your blood work every 4 months. Get a blood test done. You're healthy from inside. So all these things are there to make use of. It's not that when you have fever alone, you should not take a blood test. You should know how healthy you are from inside. Okay, something is wrong. Okay, I do ABCD things. I may have to check my report and see what is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. How do I correct this? Approach my doctor. Simple.
That's it.
So this is something which you have to take control of your life and not let things surrounding you control it. So that is something which I would want to say.
And இப்போ எஸ்பிஆர் ஓட ஃபேட் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, லைக் உங்களுக்கு பார்த்தோன்னே தெரிஞ்சிருக்கோம்ல, லைக் இவங்க வந்து இந்த மாதிரி இருக்காங்க, இவங்கள வந்து இந்த மாதிரி கொண்டு வரணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நீங்கள் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க. லைக் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இப்போ டம்மி பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வந்து அதுவே வந்து பெல்லி ஃபேட் நிறைய இருந்திருக்கும். ஸோ அந்த ஃபேட்லாம் எப்படி பர்ன் பண்ணீங்க, என்ன மாதிரி எக்ஸசைஸ்லாம் அவங்க பண்ணாங்க?
Mainly, brother, like when you want to drastically change your body weight and work on reducing body fat, you should start doing some kind of strength training and not just cardio. This is some mistake which I see a lot of people doing. Strength training basically challenges your body in the gym, and then you take time to recover, and in the process of recovery you give importance to sleep and nutrition because you want to recover better. And whatever you eat you become. So you start eating better food, so your body composition changes because of your sleeping, because it's recovering in the sleep, and also your nutrition.
Okay.
So if you again eat junk food, then you will have problems later or right away. Maybe. So yeah.
So இப்போ நீங்கள் நினச்ச மாதிரி இப்போ எஸ்டிஆர் வந்து நான் வந்து இந்த மாதிரி டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர்மேஷன் லெவல் வேணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அவரோட ஐடியாஸ் இருந்திருக்கும். உங்களுக்குள்ள ஒரு ஐடியா இருந்திருக்கும்ல, நீங்கள் நினச்சதை வந்து அதில் அச்சீவ் பண்ணீங்களா? லைக் நான் வந்து எஸ்டிஆர் வந்து இப்போ 101 கேஜிஸ்லேருந்து நான் 65 கேஜிஸ் கொண்டு வர போகிறேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நீங்கள் ஒன்று ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணியிருப்பீங்களா? இப்போ அவங்க ஒன்று ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணியிருப்பாங்க. ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் எனக்கு வந்து சந்தீப், எனக்கு வந்து நீங்கள் என்ன பண்ணுவீங்க எது பண்ணுவீங்கன்னு தெரியாது, எனக்கு வந்து ஒரு 70 கேஜிஸ் ஆகணும், நான் எனக்கு ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் எல்லாமே நான் பண்ணுறேன்னு சொல்லியிருப்பார் கண்டிப்பாக. மேபி ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் பண்ணுற பர்சன் வந்து அந்த எஃபர்ட்ஸ் வந்து சொல்லியிருப்பாங்க. உங்களுக்குள்ளே நீங்கள் ஒன்று ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணியிருப்பீங்களே, உங்களுக்கு அந்த சாட்டிஸ்ஃபேக்ஷன் லெவல் இருந்திருக்கும்ல, லைக் நான் வந்து 100 கேஜிஸ்லேருந்து 70 கேஜிஸ் கொண்டு வந்துட்டேன், அது என்ன மாதிரியான நீங்கள் உண்மையிலே கொண்டு வந்தீங்களா? லைக் ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் உங்களுக்கு வந்து அந்த சாட்டிஸ்ஃபேக்ஷன் வந்துருச்சா? 70 கேஜிஸ் கொண்டு வந்துட்டேன் அப்படின்ற ஒரு இது?
No, so I'm very satisfied with where he is in his life right now, because he's very happy and he's very joyful. That is what matters. And you see, this physical transformation is just a side effect.
Yes.
Like tomorrow if he says that, Sandeep, let's do a football player role, I can get him there. But more importantly, the point is, when you're dieting, you see a lot of people dieting, craving I should eat this, I should eat that, how many more days should I diet?
Yes.
This approach is completely wrong. How he is right now, he enjoys his food. He basically enjoys food. But whatever he eats,
it's limited.
And he's made sure that he designs his diet, and we worked on it so that he is basically satisfied, satiated, and not just eating soup and salads.
Okay.
So it's it's real food, and what you like. See, I told you, like, I would never take out rice from my diet, even if I'm doing a photo shoot, even if I'm like 5% body fat, I will have my rice.
Yes.
So I like how much you burn, how you program the whole structure of your training and your nutrition matters. Exactly. Rather, people just want short-term solutions, and just start, cutting carbs after 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So that is not a sustainable way, is what I would say.
ஸோ சந்தீப் சொல்லுங்கள், இப்போது எஸ்டிஆர் வந்து எவ்வளோ ஹார்ட் ஒர்க் பண்ணார், அவர் கூட நீங்கள் எவ்வளோ நாள் ட்ராவல் பண்ணீங்க, இந்த டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர்மேஷன் லெவல் வர்றதுக்கு எவ்வளோ நாள் ஆச்சு? It took how many days for you to grooming?
So the first goal was to get him below 90, because that is something which he was always in, that 85 to 89 kgs. He was comfortable there. So February 3rd was his birthday. So for his birthday we got down to 87, and he was very happy. So I like to shift. If you have a 1-year goal, if you have, like, say, I want to lose 30 kgs, you definitely can't do it in 3 months. You definitely, it is not impossible to lose 30 kgs if you're overweight, but you have to have a plan. So I have a habit of breaking the whole schedule to shorter goals. Because once you have short-term goals and achieve that, you're motivated.
Yes.
And that is the trick. So for Feb 3rd, November ending to Feb 3rd was the first goal.
Yes.
So December, Jan, 2 months, 8 weeks, good enough time to lose. So from 101 we get to 87. Once he got there, unfortunately the pandemic started.
Yes.
And we were not able to do what we would like to. So he put on another, some weight in the lockdown. Because he was eating and cooking, and things were not good. But once he reached 96, and he was very again upset. Again I'm so he again called me in June.
That moment, yeah.
So from June to now, till now, it was a journey where from 96 we got down to 79. In fact, the day I came here, he was around 69.8. So we'll go down to 69 and again start building muscle so that he can be 72, under 75, and then look good on screen. So that is his. That is something he'll cherish and the fans will cherish.
Yeah, that look is totally different. So many people were, sharing those pictures, and so many medias were talking about
I can't share a few pictures, unfortunately, and we'll have to wait for STR to do the same.
Even we are waiting for that. I saw that all these things you have done, so many, like for example, Samantha ma'am, a few words about Samantha ma'am also,
she is again another beast in the gym. Like she does everything. Like if I tell her to do something, she finishes it, but she again curses me after that. So it's a different journey with different people. But again, people who are on top of the chain, they always know what they want. And Samantha also, she just approached me in the lockdown saying that, Sandeep, it's, I don't know, we have to do something because I can't just sit at home and keep putting on weight because she's again a big foodie.
Yes.
And then she also converted to a vegan. So, it was a good, it was a different and, like journeys like this make you, experiences like these make you a different person. So, for me, working with each and in every client has a different value. So, I learn a lot from the client also. Like, for example, with STR, I learned a lot.
Yes.
With working with Samantha, I learned a lot. Working with Varu, I learned a lot. Working with Prasanna, I learned a lot. Working with Shantanu. So, working with Arun Vijay, I learned a lot.
Yes.
So, and traveling with these people also, she's seeing their schedules, how erratic it is, to be able to help them understand themselves better from a third point perspective, and telling them that this is also possible is something I would love to do. So that is why I like to coach people who are who have that competitive spirit and edge, and then who want to be the best in whatever they do.
Yes.
Not only like movie stars, but people from other fields of life, like business people, CEOs, just normal people, students. I work with under 19 cricketers.
Okay.
So football players, like Chennai and FC, I used to work with a couple of people. So again, the basic principle is that the desire should be there.
Yes.
For any individual to change. Once that is there, I'm just going to put a plan together and then follow along. That's all.
That's it.
So,
So that's the main mantra you have,
Yeah.
you have to
belief
stick
and
on
discipline.
yourselves.
That's
Great.
all.
So I have one personal question. The thing is, இப்போ வந்து நீங்கள் சொன்னீங்க லைக் எல்லாமே ஷிஃப்ட் ஆகிருக்காங்க நான் வெஜிடேரியன்லேருந்து வீகனுக்கு மாறி இருக்காங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு எது வந்து இதில் பெஸ்ட்? ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் இப்போ நான் வெஜிடேரியன்லேயே இருந்து நான் வந்து ஃபிட் ஆகலாமா, இல்லை வந்து வீகன்லேருந்து நான் ஃபிட் ஆகலாமா? நான் பீயிங் ஆஸ் அ வீகன் நான் வந்து ஃபிட் ஆகணும்னா like I want to be in this, or I want to switch to non-veg. Like for general people also it may be helpful.
Nothing like that. Like right now, because if you see the overall global scenario, veganism is kicking off because of psychological reasons, and there is the population is huge. If you see documentaries on Netflix,
Yes.
you will understand what is the real reason for it. And there is nothing wrong in non-vegetarian diet and vegetarian diet, but then how we evolved as species demands a certain we have to if you see how much non-veg we consume, the amount of cattle going, the amount of, so if you see these numbers, it's going to be very shocking for you. And veganism or eating non-veg is a choice. So once you decide that, we can decide a diet to reach your goal. It's not important that you have to convert to a vegan to lose weight, or you have to convert to a non-vegetarian. Like you have people who are lifelong vegetarians and fit and muscular and look like Greek gods. So you don't have an excuse there.
All right. So இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சந்தீப், ஒன் மோர் கொஸ்டின். ஸோ இப்போ என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த இப்போ கோவிட் டைம்ஸில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய பேர் வந்து ஜிம்முக்கு வர்றதில்ல, நிறைய பேர் வந்து பயப்படுறாங்க. ஸோ வர்றதுக்கு நான் ஜிம்முக்கு போகணுன்னா எனக்கு வந்து இந்த டைம்ஸ்லலாம் ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். ஸோ அவங்களுக்குலாம் உங்களோட லைக் நீங்கள் எப்படி அட்வைஸ் பண்ணுறீங்க அவங்களுக்கு? அவங்க வந்து எப்படி வந்து அவங்கள க்ரூம் பண்ணிக்கலாம் வீட்டில் இருந்தே?
So see, right now if you see, like every gym is taking enough measures to keep the atmosphere clean, and they are sanitizing everything, and they're taking the government has taken so many precautions, but at an individual level also we should be very cautious and careful what we are touching, and wearing a mask. All these things should be very well addressed to. At the same time, there's no excuse. If you can't go to so for example, if you can't go to the gym, you can just work out at home. I've been working with so many clients online, and making them fitter through the lockdown. So at the end of the day, it's something which you have to take a call how you want to do something. And if you can't go to the gym, whatever be the case, then you can just have you can just search home workouts in the internet and start doing something. So this should not be an excuse to put on weight. Like we will say that lockdown, I'm just eating and sleeping and I've put on too much weight. So that is something which is not acceptable. Okay, it was a short period of time. Okay, we all got okay, there's no work, let's chill. But after a point of time, it matters what you want to do in life.
Yes.
So you can't waste time. That is something which you have to respect. So once you do that, then automatically it'll show you a path.
ஸோ இதே மாதிரி ஒரு நல்ல நிகழ்ச்சியில் உங்களெல்லாம் சந்திக்கும் வரை உங்களிடமிருந்து விடை பெறுவது உங்கள் மகேஷ். நன்றி.